Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon so you can be alerted on the next video that I record. I've been given step-by-step training in the Convergent Pros, and today's training is still about capture pages and different things that you can do once you build your capture page. Today, I want to show you how to put in a form and a button on your capture page. Okay, we're going to go to build us another page, and we're going to create a new page. Up here we create, and I like this one uh, right here. This one I always choose, and I mostly delete everything. First of all, before we get to start deleting, let's go over here and give it a title, what this page is about. And I just say creating a phone. Okay, and we have to give it a name. I just put capture page form, and let's see if it will save. Okay, it's saved. So what we want to do is go over here and just kind of give the audience something to look forward for. So we'll say how. Well, we want to edit first, and then we'll say, let me see, stop editing. We want to edit. We're gonna select it. We're gonna select it. How to create a form page and place a button. Okay, we're gonna create a form page and place a button inside. And right here, we'll just stop editing. We'll go down to Save Lander. And this is a brand new page we have created. And so we're going to just go and delete this. You know, I showed you how to delete things on the first video. This is the fourth video training for capture pages with the Convergent Pros. We're going to delete this. Okay, we're going to delete this. And let's give it a background right quick. You know, last video I taught you how to put a video background in there. Let's just put a background in there right quick. And you just go over here and you say pick background image. We don't want to spend too much time. Let's try to fire this time. Boom. Right there. We're going to confirm it. See right here where you can center it, wherever you want to space it at. This will show on people's cell phone once they subscribe to your channel. And we're going to confirm it. You see that background? We just created that. So we're going to save it. There's no use to creating it when you don't save it because it won't be there if you bring it up. Okay, we're going to save Lander. And now that we have saved it, let's go back over to Convergent Pros. Let's click on Page Builder, and we're going to view what we just did. Creating a form, you see that? That's our title and the page name, capture page form. Okay. We're going to get the link and we're going to preview it. You see, this is our page. So we're going to go back over here and edit some more. You won't get lost. You can always go back to your page builder page and you can edit, or you can go right back to where you was editing at in your browser. So we're going to put a form in it. Come over here to the left side. Always save your work now. Save line note. Over here on the left side, we're going to edit components. Click edit components. Then we're going to go over here to your components. And this is where you will click on the form and drag it on over and place it up underneath wherever you want it to be. And we're going to click edit. And once you click edit, you want to give a form a space where they can put their name, email address, and phone number. Normally, I just say full name and email, but if you want serious people, they will put their email, their name, email, and their phone number there. If they are serious, they want to know more about it, and they want to learn what you're doing. So we're just gonna click here, and then right here is where you want to put the site that you want the people to go to. Okay, we're gonna go over here to Convergent Pros back office again. And these are the pages. We back on page builder. These are the pages that I've created. So I'm just going to click here and just search a page. Let's just search for system. Okay. System. It should bring us over here to different pages that I have named. Let's go all the way over to the third page. This seat right here is what I'm looking for. You'll know the pages that you have created. We're going to get the link and see what it's talking about. Okay, how to sign up and get your account for free. Okay, congratulations on being serious about making money. We're going to put that on the inside of it. We're going to highlight that and we're going to left click it. We're going to copy it. Then we're going to go back over to where we're editing our page. Let's go back over here to page builder. Our new page that we're working on. I'm just going to click edit. Go right here. And then we're going to see we didn't save it. So the form is not there. See? Okay, here it is right here. This is where we're going to put the URL in. You're going to put the, wherever you want to send people to, put that link right there. Right click it and paste it. All right, we have select what we want them to see to put their name, email, phone number in there, and then we're going to save it. You see it right there? It's been saved. Okay, this is your button right here. You can click to edit that button, and you can say inside that button whatever you want it to say. We're just going to delete everything in there, and we're just going to capitalize and just say click here to learn more. Okay, we're going to stop editing, and then we're going to save it. Save Lander, always save your work. You see the form I put in there, name, email, and then the phone number go there. And so we have saved it. We're going to go back over here to Convergent Pros back office, and we're going to look at our page. We're going to get the link. We're going to preview it. And see, this is it. You just created a page. And to learn more about what I'm doing and how that you can join for free to start building your own pages, Put your name, full name, email address, and your phone number here on the page that we just created, and you'll learn more about how you can even earn 50% commission on everyone that likes what you're doing or like the business that you have joined. The Conversion Pros. My name is Marlon Carter. Click on that link in the description and you can sign up, and I will be your sponsor. Contact me if you have any problems. We can do this together. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye now.